Good morning, ma'am. Today I will present my coffee inventory system, a website designed to manage coffee inventory record, user account, and coffee order efficiently. I create this system to help organize coffee related information in a fast and more accurate way compared to the manual record keeping. It's allow user to easily add, view, update, and delete records while keeping all data stored in securely in database. This system start with login page. Now let's run this system. Here is the login page where user can enter their user ID, password. So let's add user ID and password. To assess the system securely after a successful login, user can directly to the home page, just a server as of the main dashboard to dashboard of this application. The home page provide an overview of the system and allow user to navigate different model, just user list, and coffee ordering. This system was developed to improve efficient, maintain accurate records, and provide user-friendly way of managing and coffee inventory operation. Now, let's see if we can add user list. Here is the user list page. Let's add new user. Add the password. Here the username. Middle name of the user, last name of the user. Let's add the gender of the user, age, contact number, and email of the user. Now submit the application. Here is the new user. Now the new user is now in the user list. So, let's see if this data, if pumasok siya sa SQL. Let's start. Here, the data is now in my SQL and pumasok siya. Now, let's see if we can view and edit and delete this user. Now, view. Here is the user na-add natin kanina. And na-view natin siya. Let's go back. And edit. Let's edit this. Wait. Now submit the edit record. I update record. Here, na-update. And let's go back to the SQL if na-update din siya. And that's it, na-update din siya, 20. Now, let's see if this data is na-delete po ba siya. And let's delete data. Ayun, na-delete po siya. And let's go back to the SQL if na-delete din po. Ayun, na-delete din po. Then, now, nakita na po natin yung user list na kapag edit, view, add, and nakapag-delete na po tayo. Now, let's go back to the home page and let's see if we can add coffee list. Here is the coffee inventory. Sa coffee inventory, we can add new coffee. Makikita natin yung mga coffee list dito and we can view, add, and edit, and delete. Same for the user. Now let's add the coffee. Let's use this example. Ayun. Yan. Quality is 6. Submit record. And that's it. Nandito na yung new coffee natin. For the, is add tayo ulit. Cold. Submit record. And that's it. Na-submit siya. Now, let's see if this data, if pumasok siya sa SQL. Here, pumasok siya sa SQL. And now, let's see if we can view this. Here, na-view natin siya. Na-view. And number view. Yan. And now, let's see if we can edit this coffee. America. Now, we update na-update siya. Na-update natin yung coffee record. Now, let's go back to the SQL if na-update din ba dito. And that's it. Na-update po siya. And, let's try if madi-delete natin. Ayun, na-delete. And let's go back to the SQL database if na-delete. Yes, that's it. Na-delete po siya. Now, let's go back to the home page. And now we going to coffee order. Let's order the coffee. Sample. First, the information of customer, mail, the birthday, and email, and here, and place the order. That's it. Nakikita natin yung receipt ng order ng customer. Sa receipt ng customer, nakikita natin yung name, customer ID, gender, birthday, email, and the coffee he order. And let's see if napapasok siya sa database. And that's it. Pumasok siya sa database. So, here, 415, and this is, pumasok siya. Now, I explain the system, the code of this system. Let's go here. This homepage, this code homepage is this part, is user as the homepage of the system. When the user open the application, it's automatically direct to the read all coffee page. Yun nga yung kanina yung pinakita natin. So that's all the coffee record in the inventory are displayed immediately instead of showing a black homepage. Now this is the read record. I'll read all. This part is used to display all coffee orders stored in the database. It's connected to the SQL retrieve of the data, all data of the TBL coffee inventory table and store the records in the row variable. The data is then set of the read read coffee HTML page so the user can view and complete coffee inventory. The code also include error handling and close the database connected properly after the process is finished. Now is the add page. This part is used to the open end page where the user can add a new coffee record when the row is accessed. A simple load and add coffee HTML templates that contain the form for entering coffee information. Now is the create. Sa create, this part is used to save. Oops. Create. No. Now this data. Right. Save new coffee record into a data. Let's collect all the information. Enter of the form. Just coffee ID, name, brand, type, quality, unit price, and supply after supply after getting the data is execute the SQL export statement to the store the new record in the TBL coffee inventory table. If the insertion is successful message is displayed and the user is directly to the coffee inventory list. Yun yung pinakita natin kanina. And now sa add page. Add page. Sa add and view page. Here. View 1 here. This part is used to display the details of the single coffee record. It's oh my gosh. Sorry for that. Let's go back again. This page is used to display the details of a single coffee record. It's release the coffee ID from the URL search from the matching record in the database and reviews is information. Thus select record is then set to the view coffee HTML page so the user can view all details of the specific coffee item. Sa edit page, this part is used to load the edit from form for a specific coffee order. Let's get to the coffee ID from the URL read the incorporating record of the database and set the data to the edit coffee HTML page. It's allow user to see the current information and manage, um, make and change to it. Sa coffee, I forgot where is it. Ayun. Ito yung sa coffee list, coffee inventory. Na-add natin siya and with all, ayun, with all, and with, ay, no. No, I don't have three, ay, meron ba? Ayun, meron pala. Yun, I forgot it. Na-read one siya and then update. Update na din siya sa code. Ayun, update and delete. Ayun, na-delete. Now, let's go to the user API. Let's create user. And here, pumasok sa SQL, read all user. Ayun, pumasok siya. Ayun, pumasok din. Update user. Tanggalin natin to. Remove this. Let's see if pumasok. That's it. Pumasok po siya sa SQL. And let's see if nadi-delete po siya natin sa API. Then successful and oops. And, ay, I don't have this pala. Sorry. Ayun. Pumasok. Now, let's go to the coffee order. Sa coffee order. Ayun. Pumasok, yes. Ayun, pumasok din. Nab-view all natin siya and let's see if nab-viewan natin. Ayun, nab-viewan. And then, let's see if we can update this order. Oops, I think same lang siya. But, let's try again. Ayun, nag-update siya. But, let's try. Okay. Ayun, update niya. And then, let's try if we can delete this. Wala na. And that's it, nade-delete ko siya. That's all my coffee inventory system. Sa coffee inventory system, nakita po natin yung homepage, login page, homepage, user list. We can add, view, edit, and delete. And same as sa coffee list, and we can order. And nakikita natin yung receipt, and na pumapasok siya sa SQL, and pumapasok din siya sa API sa Postman. So, that's all for today. And thank you